Ano nakakatawa? Sorry. Ang sarap naman ito. Ang sarap. Hello, Jack. Gusto mo, Jack? Hindi mo siya kailangan yung nguyain, yung yellow niya.
Natutunaw siya sa dulo.
Natutunaw siya.
Masarap ng season nila, tikman.
Kaya pang matagal eh.
Sarap. Favorite ko dito sa Kia Mix. Sila lang, itong dalawang shop lang nila.
Galing ka na ba dito?
Hindi pa, nasan ko. Sa lahat ng coffee shop na napuntahan ko, dalawa lang sila nagtitinda ng season. Kia Mix sa ito.
Ito ngayon, may signature.
3K na lang, 2M ka na. Tingnan mo nga. Ay! Salamin!
Paano ba makita na 3K na lang?
Pag followers hindi may kita.
Oo. Pag ikaw makikita mo.
Ba't alam nilang 3K na lang?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko mga yan. Di ba nakikita ko?
Ayan nga.
Hindi ko nga nakikita.
Tingnan mo na lang.
Hindi nga.
Kahit i-click mo hindi.
Kahit i-click mo pa.
Friend mo ba si Bea?
Torres? Sa IG.
Message mo nga.
Sasabihin.
Sabi mo nakalive ako, join siya. O tawagan mo lang. Tawagan mo. May collab kasi kami. Ay.
Ngayon.
Calling.
Tingnan mo. Magugustuhan mo yan, promise.
Ano bang date ngayon?
9. Diba?
Palit mo kayo.
Hindi.
Bukas, 9, 10.
Sabihan niyo po kung pag okay na po, lalabas na po.
Contacting lang, hindi siya ringing eh.
So, okay na po.
Yung ano po.
Isang bingso po. Marami
Sige,
pong
to.
flavor. Okay.
O sige,
Madami
labas mo.
flavor pala. Iba-iba. Ang flavor yan, Kevin?
Mango.
Mangga.
Mango.
Ano pa yung iba niyong flavor?
Custard.
Chocolate.
Yung chocolate po.
Chocolate susubo.
Sa kanya lahat.
Hindi po sa inyo for sharing.
Nakain ko na yung nilawa ko.
Pwede na kami.
Ayun, ang sarap na. Takwa mo na isang flavor.
Sarap talaga binso. Di siya online sa IG. Nagano ba siya sa'yo?
Bea, kung nanonood ka man, nakalive ako, Be.
1K na lang, 2M ka na daw.
Ah!
Crumble cake.
Nandito ba si Bea? Tingnan nga natin kung naka-online. Bea. Hindi siya naka-live eh. Ay, dalawa na sila.
It's okay, baby.
Ayun na.
Pwede ka na po kumain.
Vanilla.
Tagalin na lang po namin yung custard.
Kasi ito pa.
Tapos picturean ko na lang dito pa yung lahat.
Oh my gosh.
Kasi isang flavor picture.
She's calling.
Ate, naka-live ako now. Bukas, gusto mo ba bukas? You have to schedule it.
Give me your schedule to share with you.
1, 2, 3. Pwede ka po kayo picturean ko yung sabi.
Actually, ano,
Where are you?
Hi, Bea. Ito.
Ikaw, kapag-kapogi. Tatlo kasama sa
1, 2, 3. Okay na po.
mag-live ka nga.
Alam ko naman niya ko siya.
Ano? Ay, pinatay.
Naglalagay ko sa mama tayo kami.
Diba? May lactose intolerance ka?
Ay, oo, bawal siya sa akin.
Mag-live si Bea.
May lactose intolerance ka?
Basta may gamot ko.
Bawal siya sa gatas. Ano sila ni Milky?
Oo nga.
No? So, yun.
Sabihin niyo sa akin pag naka-live na si Bea.
Ano to, Beans?
Ganun mga ba? Saluin mo. Ano yun?
Dalawang kutsara.
Paipasubo mo muna sa kanya yung ano.
Wag na. Lalo na. Sarap.
Bak, no?
Puding yung nasa ibabaw.
Jelly is. Sarap.
Ikaw na maghalo, eh?
Pero to mahirap kausap daw.
Oo nga.
Sarap. Promise. Sarap.
Ah.
Oh, what's happening?
Hello, my sister.
Oh my God, we are out. Dito ka.
Bukirat, where are you? Who's that? Who are you with?
My friend.
Who's that boy?
Look at my lip.
Palit-pilis ka ba?
No, it.
Yes.
No.
Bea, ano ba?
What?
When are you free ba? Ikaw ha, you guys, I love it. Like, I'm so happy for the both of you. Grabe,
We are so happy too.
linilive nyo yung life nyo. Look at my nails.
Oh my God.
We love
Oh my
it.
God. It's so short.
Cutie, ano na? Well,
I'm free tomorrow and... Ano ba kayo? 9? 9, 10, 11. I'm free 9, 10, 11.
Maybe we should like eat some king crab or
No.
something.
12 hanggang katapusan, busy na.
Oo.
why? Grabe naman yung ganaps nyo.
Coffee.
I'm not free tomorrow, 11. Free ka, cutie.
11 ako free.
Me too. Where are you? Tomorrow, Queen.
Where are you, Fukirat?
I'm in VGC right now. I'm in the SETI.
What?
I'm in
In the
the
SETI.
SETI.
What?
Ano?
In the SETI.
Oh my God. You don't understand our language?
What's SETI?
In the SETI.
Sada?
Yes,
Sada? Hotel?
VGC.
City.
Oh my God, pinahirapan.
We don't know it so much.
Ano naman?
Di, asan ka na naman? You're always out, ha?
Hindi mo matitik.
Actually,
Ibaba daw si Bea slow daw.
Ano?
Ibaba ka daw, slow ka daw, sabi nila. OA kayo. I'm in the SETI.
Malay ko ba? I thought it was Sede, yung hotel.
Yeah, there's a lot of it.
actually, oo, may sari na hotel eh.
Diba? Alam ni QD yan.
I don't know it because I'm 4.
Ano naman?
I'm 4.
No, you're not 4. You're 5.
Are you crazy?
Ano naman?
Are you crazy? No, I'm boy. I'm not crazy.
QD, alam mo, totoo nga sinasabi nila, you look like Lady Glitter Sparkle.
Oh!
Oh, is it something that's offensive ba?
No,
Itong time.
I love Lady Glitter Sparkle.
How about me? How I look like?
This is my
Who I
mom.
look like?
Karat, you're unique. You don't look like anyone.
She look like Jennifer
Hindi, ikaw asan ka?
Oh.
Bea. Bea. Oh my God!
Send me some girl.
A huge fan.
Ha?
Ano ba yon? I'm huge. Hug. I'm huge fan. I'm a huge fan. May nag
Yeah.
QD, I feel like sa August na lang tayo magkita.
No, no. Please. Tomorrow.
You, I can see you, but like QD, we have something kasi.
Give me some time to...
Bea is giving me money.
Yeah.
What are you saying at all?
Fuck you.
Yana.
QD, where are you?
I'm here in Montalban.
Rizal.
What are you eating?
Ice
Bakit
cream.
noon si Kirat? Bakit yung emo may accent?
What?
Watawat.
No, what? Really?
Why does your E have an accent? Eting,
Because
Seti.
I'm from family of Reg.
Bea, may naano ko. May namit ako may namit ako dito sa TikTok.
Who is it?
He is from Germany.
I saw it. Yeah.
What? Si Jack, ayan si Jack. Parang ikaw siya. Sorry. Sorry guys.
Sa umpisa.
Grabe, alam mo, sometimes I feel like I'm...
Nag-meeting kasi sa kabilate.
Pero...
So, it's normal to feel OA.
Yeah.
Pero what are you doing?
And Jack is so handsome, Bea.
Yes, Bea is a standard of OA. When we think about the word... What?
Ayoko na sa mga pogi.
Okay, pukirit ka na lang.
Ayaw na pogi,
Later. You wanna get dinner?
Okay.
When?
I favor it. No, I pay.
Where do you wanna eat? No, it's fine. It's my treat.
Wolfgang. I don't know. I'm gonna pay.
I want to... Anything.
Tama ka, QD.
Yeah. When ba? When?
Later.
Later?
Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Sure.
Really?
Yes.
Where do you guys wanna eat? You wanna eat in Mamu? It's better than Wolfgang.
Sure. Here in
Wow.
Majestic.
Or do you guys want like... Yeah, I prefer it.
What time is it? What time is it?
You're rich.
Wait,
What time is
or
it?
do you guys want where we eat? Like,
Sabi niyo nga ate, magkita lang daw kami, bibigyan niya akong pera.
Eh, paano ako, Bea? Ano ako? Kaibigan mo din ako,
QD naman kasi, so daldal eh.
Sorry. It's a prank! Grabe yung bunga nga ni Pukirit, parang puwet.
What about me, Bea? You don't give me some peso or something?
You want dollars?
I want you.
Wait, so where do you guys want?
Mag-live ka nga, Jack.
Meron kasi kinakainan na
What is the...
Blythe and Danica. It's Italian.
Oh, you
If you
gonna
guys-
invite them?
If you guys want steak, we could go for Mamu.
Oh, Bea is Blight is going with us?
No, it's like our hangout place. Kung saan
Oh.
you a recommendation.
You know Wawa? You have Mamu, we have Wawa. On Rizal.
I don't get it.
Ayaan mo yan siya, parang nababaliw.
Yung Wawa nyo, yung Wawa.
Sa Wawa.
Oo.
Wawa like Jowa.
No, it's Wawa. It's
It's a river.
you're in the Montalban.
Cute na sama ka later.
Yeah. I update you.
Whatever. Fukirat, how about you?
Okay, I'm free, but I'm going to live before I go you.
What time do you live?
It's time for lunch. No, maybe 7 to 9, I think so.
Grabe naman.
Masyado na.
No, we can go right now. I can live 9 to 11 to 12.
You want right now? Wait, I'm getting my nails done.
Okay.
Oh, sure.
I'm just going to prepare.
Give me like 2 hours.
This time right now.
Sure. Take your time, Bea, okay?
How about you? So you are so far in the Jesse.
I'm coming from QC.
It's okay.
You are far, Quendra.
It's okay.
You should go here right now already.
No, ang layo niyan.
Saan mo kakain?
QC.
QC.
Ay, BCC ba?
Yeah.
Oh, go at all.
Fukirat what?
The driver is in a
lang magde-date ni Fukirat.
Go.
Hindi naman naka-live si Jack.
Fukirat, where do you stay? You should chat me.
Okay, but you're not replying on me. You're so famous.
Huh? I reply kaya, sa IG na lang tayo mag-chat.
I followed you already on IG, but you never follow me back.
I haven't seen it yet.
It's so fine, Bea. I know you are Betty, but
Anong
Yeah,
naisip mo, Nak? Ba't ka nagpaganyang bibig?
hindi ko din alam. Bigla mapasok sa self. Kaya,
Actually, gusto ko magpaganyan.
Parang
No.
bibi.
no, don't hesitate. Ay, no. Don't make it. No,
Don't-
Bea, I don't
yeah.
recommend it all. You have
No, that's nice ata kapag ka
yeah,
siya.
it's swallow it all.
Masakit? It's hurt?
It
Okay.
hurts so much. It's painful.
I can't with you guys. Okay, don't make ayos kasi wala akong makeup.
Okay, I don't mind. Yeah.
You don't, mad?
I don't ayos myself.
Okay, let's eat ha. I haven't eaten yet.
Yes, are we going to Etid?
What?
Etin.
You eaten tete?
You're gonna van.
Sorry.
No, I'm damay with you.
I know.
Okay, I'll pick you up.
You know, Bea? You don't know. I get banned here on TikTok. It's so hurt. But TikTok made a solution for it and it makes me so much.
Okay na ba sa'yo ang LC or do you wanna ride in a BM?
Wala. Pala kahirapan. Kahit tricycle lang, Bea, okay kami.
Wait, I'll ask.
Where are you right now ba?
Siyempre, if I'm gonna sundo you, gusto ko pasabog. Kasi ikaw na yan eh.
What?
I'm gonna sundo Fukerat. Gusto ko pasabog kasi siya na yan.
Yeah.
I'm the one. You know what?
Maybe we could go shopping in Zara.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Yaman na kaibigan natin ba?
Oo, kaibiganin natin yung mga mayaman sila. Di ko, lahat sila.
Magiging mayaman kami at magiging mahirap kayo.
Totoo. Kukunin natin lahat ng yaman nila.
Yes,
Yan mo nga yung kutsara ko, gold.
Next namin kakaibigan si Blight.
Para siyang pamaypay na.
Fukerat, so are you G? Let's have
I'm
dinner.
going,
Sige,
yeah,
ulit.
I'm perfectly cool. I'm going to bring him.
Okay.
He's my personal assistant.
Oh really? I thought he was your boyfriend.
No, it's not my work. He's my friend. But
Ano yan?
it's the ice. Binigay niya sa akin.
Kaya mo ba kumain? Or
Yes, I
you
can
diet?
Like a ball.
What?
Nung ko dyan, visit yan. 600 na lang 2 million na ako.
But walang... Hala, totoo?
How did you know? Congrats, QD. I'm so proud of you. Whenever I scroll down sa TikTok, ikaw ang lagi kong nakikita. Like, parang dati lagi lang tayo nakatambay sa pop-up.
Oh my God! Tapos sa silo, tapos lalakad tayong dalawa, tapos bigla kang titigil, tapos itutulak mo kasi hindi magaling.
You kwento that to make you the...
Kilala yun. Kilala yung...
Kilala siya, actually.
Kilala siya. He's foggy, but he's kind of maniac.
Can I have sama, my friend?
Yeah, okay.
Thank you so
Let's
much.
Did I get it right?
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Oh, you are 2M na, UD. You are 2M na, te! Te, 2M ka na.
Totoo ba?
Wow! 2M ka na, te.
Oh my God! Tuin mo ako!
Nandiyan lang si Rhea.
Diba?
Sorry. Ano kasi? Getting my Oh my God, congrats, QJ. I'm so proud of you.
Oh my God, I love you!
Holy
Oh my God! Oh my God!
We deserve to go out last night. We should
Ang dami naman. Happy to
We should go out.
to you. Happy to and to
Banda.
Oh my God. Ariana Grande who?
Congratulations.
Para ito kakainit, ang dami naman. Oh my God! Happy to am myself.
Wala chocolate.
Happy to am myself.
Happy to M.
Happy to am happy to am happy to myself. Happy to am myself. Nagitagot na
Ayun. Wait, continue it, please.
Happy to am myself.
Actually, QD, your bosses is maganda.
Super. Can you say super?
Super.
Yeah, super.
Thank you so much. Ano to? Marshall, thank you so much, Marshall, for celebrating me as a 2M person. You deserve to be fucked. Shut up. Let's taste it.
My God, QD, kapag yung nails ko, hindi na dahil sa ito kasi they're laughing.
Oh my God!
Oh, we deserve to go out this night because Cutie is 2M na. Like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, true.
I deserve to be conquered.
It's not gonna
Neglected when I needed you most. Entrusted to a yaya. Whose intelligence was more about it.
Are you not in the gratification already?
You define it so.
Congrats!
God, every meal and every you, it represented us.
Congrats! Where do you want to
Actually-
go?
What, Bea, my love, so sweat?
What time am I picking you up?
Anytime you want.
What's your IG?
I'm just going to bring my hair glow so I have my online selling wherever we want.
I can't go live with you, ha?
Go, you can.
Okay.
You can't?
I can't.
Why?
Cause you should bayad me. No, I can't go. No, I can't go live.
Okay, I understand it.
Okay. I'll see you in 2 hours. What's your IG?
My IG is a Pretty Julia.
What?
Ano daw IG mo?
Pretty Julia. I will going to chat you here on TikTok.
TikTok. You're so cute. You really like that?
Yeah, I exaggerate.
Yeah. Actually, kahit in person, Bea.
Really? Kasi
Yeah.
si QD, in fairness, like when magkasama kayo, she's matino, like, para ko siyang ate.
Yeah, super. She shows. Yeah.
Diba? Like, kunwari, you're medyo sangot na, as in, i-guide ka niya, diba, QD?
Yes.
No, ayoko na.
How's the taste of the ice cream, Kyodi? It's so good.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. I love you, Bea. Hit me up. Hit me up. Sobrang grabe niya, no? Ang bait.
Suffer.
Why you invite me already? Oh, man.
Actually, we have a lot of friends. CEO, like rich people.
Yes, we are making friends with them so we can be rich also.
Yeah.
That's our main topic. Our main.
It's actually the purpose of yes.
That's our goal. Well, actually, Quindera and me were friends for almost 7 years already, and we are planning to get rid of them. Like, Andrew, sige pa. Like, we did never even have.
I planning buy some condo in BGC, ha?
Oh, really?
What you recommended?
I recommended Harrison. Oh, it's so good.
Your condo, it's nice.
Yes, it's just like 569 million. I bought it last
So
month.
mura.
It's so mura actually.
Yeah, I buy like 4.
For a bed?
Yes, for
How much is the left feller? I've left tattoo. It cost like 70 million pesos.
Oh, it's so mura. I love it.
That's so more because I want to ped right now because my family needs some financial kinamarin.
Yeah, friend. I need to go cause my bodyguard is here na.
You should go here like right now.
Yeah.
Punta ka dito? Yan ka na naman, te.
Pipilitin.
Hindi, tag dito, punta ka na lang kasi baka yung schedule natin, di ba?
Baka yung
Yung schedule.
nakausap mo na ba si Miss ano?
Sino?
Si Glenda Marie?
Yes, everything. Everything. Go ka na dito ngayon? Go ka na?
Diyan? Uwi muna kami.
Sige, tas go ka na. Bilisan. Mag-live tayo later.
Oo.
Kaya ako pinayagan sa Hera. Pinayagan ako. Goods naman kasi wala namang kinimfiri, di ba si kinimfiru. Okay na ba yung gantong mukha? Okay na, okay. You?
I need to go na.
Okay.
Ay, mamaya na pala.
Wala na.
May ano pa pala tayo?
May.
Teaching.
Right? Ano yung gano'n, okay? Ayun na ako. Gini. Ay. Come on.
Ang mga bato.
How much is your bill? I'm going to pay it na.
What?
I'm going to pay it na.
Watawat?
Okay, I'm going to pay it.
Gagi, hindi ako pwede mag-angkas dahil kasama ko sa Erna. Ano, dalawa kami sa angkas? Hindi mo naman nag-iisip si Puke.
Dalawang booking nyo.
Lagay yung comment.
Wala daw mag-drive.
Kamaya, BGC. Hindi ako pwede magmotor kasi wala akong license.
Yes.
Yung motor na yung pambili lang ng ulam, ganun-ganun.
Love you both. Love you all.
Thank you so much. 2M na ako.
Yes,
Sobrang...
I love you. Bato 2M din ako.
Congrats, QD!
Thank you, Nak.
Gusto ko makita nito.
Congrats. Tama na.
Suffer.
Sige na. Mag-iingat kayo dyan.
Okay. Wait lang. Okay, bye-bye. Yan, bunayan yung live mo.
Ano?
Gusto mo live?
Matapit mo.
Gusto na.
Sige na.
Okay na.